In this video, we will explain what transition words are and how to use them. Transition words are the glue holding a text together. They connect the words and the sentences. If you write a text without them, it will be a lot less interesting and more difficult to read. An example. Valid wants a new bike. He wants to buy a new phone. His brother has bought a red bike. He wants a different bike than his brother. He buys a blue bike. He likes his brother's phone. He buys the same phone. Now listen to the example again. Valid wants a new bike and a new phone. Unlike his brother, he buys a blue bike because he wants a different bike than his brother. But he does like his brother's phone. That's why he buys the same phone. In short, he bought a different bike and the same phone as his brother. Did you notice the difference between the text without transition words and the one with transition words? The second one is much more interesting and easier to understand, as it helps you to put together the pieces of information in the text using transition words. Here is an overview of some transition words. And, to, unlike, before, after, at the time, in short, because of, that's why, even so, suddenly, while, so, afterward, in the end. When you write a text, try using transition words. You can watch this video at any time.